What do you think? Oh, he likes it.
Okay.
You like it.
Very good.
Oh my gosh, he's reaching for it. Oh, you okay? You like it?
What do you think?
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
What do you think?
Oh, he likes it so much. I didn't expect you to like it this much. You gotta kind of swallow it though. Let's get the stuff all over his mouth.
A little bit. There you go.
Oh, get it with a spoon.
What do you think of that?
Oh, 2 cameras going at once.
You're like a big boy. What do you think?
You like it?
Are you even eating it?
You're such a big boy. Oh, that's too big.
Thanks for telling us that.
Oh, you should sleep good tonight. Hopefully that doesn't give you bad gas.